Mga kaibigan, isang magandang hapon ho sa lahat. No? We need to go. We shall go. Because this afternoon, we have an important matter to be discussed. Gwapo ba? Ano ba? Tag 200 ra. Tag 200 na niya guys. So, okay naman po. Depende na yun sa nagdadala. Kung gwapo ang nagdadala, gwapo rin. Mamahalin din yung ano. So, parang mahalin. So, hindi ito para sa mga kurap. Ito lang para sa mga ordinaryong tao, ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino. So, we need to discuss all the things that we need here on earth. Na kung saan ito po'y pinaka-importante sa lahat ng bagay sa mundo. To understand the things, to understand the life, to understand what was the purpose in life, why we are here on this universe. So, in the matter of fact, mga kaibigan, hindi po lahat ng tao ay nakakaintindi, or not all the people around this earth was to understand of the universe. So, as a Filipino law-abiding citizens of this country, we need to understand that what was our priority and what was our obligation, or what is our obligations in this country, mga kaibigan. If we are on that way that to service the country, to serve the country, to defend the country, especially that we are belongs to the tolls of the government, especially the most important that there is a classifications of the tolls in the government, mga kaibigan, in which there is a category or classifications itself, because there is a public employee in which the mandate is from the Philippine Constitution, in which through election. So that is called a politicians, or the politico itself, mga kaibigan. That is belongs to the constitutional conditions through elections. At that society can elect, or the people of this country can elect on that particular mga kaibigan. So that's why, and there is appointed by law in which the forces or the law enforcement officer of this country, that is also mandated by the Philippine Constitutions through appointed by law, or appointments of the law, mga kaibigan. So sa mga nagtatanong, those people who are asking about that, I am not an expert to deliver, to discuss, to express, to say about this, because I am not an expert about this. For you to have a concrete idea regarding of what I am doing here, what I am discussing here, is not all the folly that you are satisfactions of this, because I am not expert about this. But the only one thing I am assured, pretty sure all of you, mga kaibigan, as a law-abiding citizens of this country, that we are mandated all to defend our territory as a good Filipino citizens of this country, to defend our country, mga kaibigan, against those bad people. Because the only powerful of this country, the only powerful in the government, that is called the government, is the people of the state, mga kaibigan. Not the elected official, not the police, not the army, but the only one thing for sure is the most strengthful and the powerful of this country around the earth, in every state, in every boundaries and territory. No other than is the people. So that's why in deceptions, so marami pong nangyayari, mga kaibigan. So I hope so the people who are asking about this, and then as of now, it is the aid for you to understand life. Do not enter in the another chaos, conflict about this, mga kaibigan. But we need to defend, to defend our priority, to defend our obligations of this country, that we are belong here.